Okay, here we are for writing again. This is Thursday's lesson, and today we're going to focus on our last thing. So that was my sad face of I didn't have any syrup, but I have my grape jelly. You know I like purple, you know I like grape things. So I used my grape jelly instead, and guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to go back and add my jelly, but I have done it for my story. So our last part of our story is going to be similar to our others. We've done our first, our next, our last. Hopefully you have your two other sentences written. So we have our last sentence today. And it's just like the others, except it starts with last. And here's my picture of my yummy pancakes. My syrup, I need to put my X there, I think, because no syrup. But I did find my grape jelly, and I was happy. So it ended up being yummy. So my sentence says, and I want you to try to read it with me. It says, last I used jelly instead of syrup. Period. And I'm just thinking about this. Could I add another detail in there to tell anything more about my sentence or about my pancakes, what made them better? Could I add grape in here so that it says last I used grape jelly instead of syrup? Because another thing we're going to be talking about is how can we make our sentences better? This is a fine sentence. This is a good sentence. But I could add one little detail of grape jelly, and then you would know it wasn't strawberry, it wasn't peach, it wasn't cherry jelly, but it was my favorite grape jelly. So your assignment for today is to write what happened last in your breakfast story. Okay, good luck. Do your best. Work hard. I miss you. And I will see you later.